So what do we do if we are told to find 35 plus something, okay, 35 plus something equals 81? Well, in a situation like this, a good way to do this is that we need to remember that addition and subtraction work hand in hand. And here is what I mean. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Then this means that 3 minus 2 is going to give us 1. It also means that 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. Now, this means that 81 minus this is going to give us this, and 81 minus this is going to give us this. All right. So all we have to do is to draw a number line. Let's use the same example of 1 and 2. 1 plus something gives us 3. We draw a number line and we put 1 here and we put 3 here. 1 is going to be here because in a number line 0 is going to be here and 100 is going to be somewhere here. So 1 here and 3 here. Now we've got to count how many steps we jump from 1 to 3. We can make one long jump from 1 to 3. That is 2 steps. But we can still break it down. Okay? Make a small jump from 1 to 2. That is 1 step. Make another small jump from 2 to 3. That is 1 step. And count the number of steps, and that is 2 steps. Alright, so let's apply the same principle to this example we see right here. We draw a number line and we put 35 here and we put 81 right here. Alright, so we want to count how many steps would take us from 35 to 81. Well, that is a lot of jumps. So let's break it down a little bit. You can break it down anyhow you want. You can break it down to 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and count one step each. But that's going to take a long time. You can break it down in fives: 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. But that will also take a long time. We want to count the smallest number of jumps that will be possible and fast. So without complicating matters. So what if we count in tens? We can count in tens. The tens after 35 is 40. After 40 we have 50. After 50 we have 60. After 60 we have 70. After 70 we have 80. Now once again, you don't have to go in tens. You can go anyhow you want. You can go 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. The reason we're not doing that is because it takes a very long time. You can go in fives: 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. There is no reason we're not doing that actually. You can do that if you want. However, it is much easier to count numbers if you're working in tens, in hundreds, and so on. So from 35 to 40 is 5 steps. 40 to 50 is 10 steps. 50 to 60 is 10 steps. 60 to 70 is 10 steps. 70 to 80 is 10 steps, and 80 to 81 is 1 step. When we count the total number of steps, what do we have? Here we have 5 plus 10. We have 15 steps here. Here we have 20 steps here. And here we have 11 steps here. Now 15 plus 20, here we have a total of 35 steps. And here we have 11 steps. 35 plus 11 is 46. So this means that 35 plus 46 is 81. Alright, thank you for watching.